Mary Ann Bartels is chief investment strategist at Sanctuary Wealth, a woman who has been assigning target prices to the S&P 500 for a number of years now. So, Mary Ann, thanks for being with us. Can you please take us through what exactly in your models and assumptions is driving a 7,000 price target for the S&P 500 by the end of the year?
Well, really what's driving this is not new. It's really the technology of AI that we've been talking about, blockchain, robotics, crypto, Web3. This is the greatest technology innovation of our lifetime. It's like the internet on steroids. And we think this is going to drive corporate profits. Now, we're going into second quarter earnings. Expectations are pretty low, so we think expectations can come in much higher. We think corporate earnings are going to be stronger than what the market is actually looking for, and that can actually boost stock prices. We're well aware that the valuations are high, but if our analysis on earnings is correct, maybe the market is not as expensive as people anticipate. In addition to that, we've seen interest rates come down. We think the trend in interest rates will continue to come down. We think the Fed will eventually be able to lower interest rates, and that could also boost the markets. And the other thing is that the sentiment of the market is still very bearish. As you can see, people are still raising their numbers. There's still some skepticism. So that also makes us bullish on the equity market.
Mary Ann, when you refer to the idea that growth is out there and that technology advancements, AI will drive corporate profitability, is it going to drive corporate profitability across, say, the entire S&P 500, mid-caps, and Russell 2000? Or is it going to drive profitability for, say, 10 or 15 tech, media, and telecom companies that will then make up the entire move?
Well, when I look at the secular trends, the secular trend is really biased towards mega cap. There might be select companies in the mid to small cap, but they're not in a big bull market at this time. So we believe it's going to stay in the mega caps, but you're seeing some broadening out. The banks are trading very well. That also makes us very bullish. You need a good, healthy, stable financial system. You recently saw the stress test come in favorably, and many of the large banks raise their dividends. And you're seeing industrials do extraordinarily well this year. Again, the infrastructure play of all of this AI. So it's broader than people actually realize, but I do believe it's going to stay mega cap.